All right, this is a great trick to zoom in and make seeing everything easier while browsing on your computer or surfing the web. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you get my newsletter for free. There are a handful of easy ways to zoom in and out of any browser windows on your PC. First, this helpful keyboard move can zoom in and out in your browser window. Using just your keyboard, you can hold down one of the control keys and then press either plus or minus to zoom in and out respectively. A similar method is holding down Control again, but this time scroll up and down on the mouse wheel to zoom in and out in your browser window. Now, if you'd like to zoom in on everything on your screen beyond browser text, hold down the Windows button on your keyboard and then press the plus key. This will bring up the Magnifier tool window. Pressing plus or minus on it will zoom in and out, and moving your cursor around the edges of the screen will allow you to navigate around your screen. The X on the window will end the zoom mode. Now you can see everything you need. More at our website. Go to cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Click the little red button to sign up.